Primed ready here, and look, I cleaned my car out like I said I was going to do yesterday. And I have pictures of how it looked like before. I still don't have a tripod, so it's not really easy for me to capture it, on film. It's not the greatest. So here's my Ucky inside the car before it started vacuuming, as you can see. Yeah, hey look, it's a Marlboro box, because I smoked. I'm a smoker. But yeah, I mean, the car was a work car, so I never really cleaned it much. But it's been sitting all winter, and whatever I had left in it, I just pretty much abandoned it. But, so all that's fixed now. A vast improvement, wouldn't you say? I would say I use a shop vac, for God's sake. But as you can see, it looks a whole lot better. Again, this car's 20 some odd years old, and I sure as hell wasn't the original owner. So if I was, I would have taken care of it better. But we play with the cards we were dealt. So the seat's broke, by the way. It's been broke pretty much since the day I got it, but we can do. So, vast improvement off the other lot of what you've seen earlier. So all I need to do now is get some armor on, wash this stuff off the dash here, and we'll be good to go. So it's probably ready, rock and roll.